Build, Automate, Scale by Connexus Hub. Module 2, Lesson 3. Delegation 101. Transitioning from doing everything to effective delegation. Let's start with a question. What's one task you do every week that someone else could do 80% as well? Or even better than you? If you're an entrepreneur trying to juggle it all, it's time to stop being the bottleneck. Delegation isn't a luxury, it's a growth strategy. As the African proverb says, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. In this lesson, we'll break down the mindset and method behind effective delegation. You will learn what to delegate, who to delegate to, and how to do it without stress, micromanagement, or chaos. If you're excited to stop doing it all yourself and finally free up your time, hit like and drop a comment to let us know what task you're ready to delegate this week. Let's begin with why delegation is so important, and why not doing it is holding your business back. Section 1. Why delegation matters. Most entrepreneurs fall into the trap of thinking they have to do it all. But the truth is, doing everything is the enemy of doing the right things. Delegation frees you to focus on what actually moves the needle, like strategy, growth, and vision. Some benefits of delegation include greater efficiency, less burnout, empowered teams, and faster scalability. Example: a startup founder who personally handles customer support ends up stuck in emails all day. By hiring a virtual assistant to manage FAQs and inquiries, the founder gets back hours each week to focus on partnerships and scaling. Pro tip: if a task doesn't require your unique skills or decision-making, delegate it. Now let's figure out which tasks should be delegated and which ones you should keep. Section 2. Identifying tasks to delegate. Not everything should be handed off. The key is knowing what to keep and what to let go. Use the Eisenhower matrix to sort tasks. Urgent and important, do it now. Important but not urgent, schedule it. Urgent but not important, delegate it. Neither, eliminate it. Some examples of delegatable tasks: social media scheduling, calendar management, data entry, routine reporting, graphic design. Example: a solopreneur might keep strategic decisions and relationship building, but delegate bookkeeping, admin, and blog formatting. Pro tips: track your week. Notice where your time goes and flag anything that doesn't require your zone of genius. With your tasks sorted, let's move to the next step: finding the right person for the job. Section 3. Choosing the right people. Delegation fails when the wrong person is chosen. Success starts with matching skills to tasks. Look for skill fit: can they do the job well? Availability: do they have the time to do it properly? Trust: do you feel confident handing this over? Delegation options to consider: virtual assistants, best for recurring admin tasks. Freelancers, ideal for creative specialized work. Agencies, great for full-service solutions. Example: for graphic design, you might hire a freelancer from Fiverr. For bookkeeping, you could outsource to an agency. For scheduling, a virtual assistant may be the most cost-effective choice. Pro tips: start with a low-risk, low-complexity task to build trust before handing off bigger responsibilities. Now you're ready to actually hand over the work. But how do you do that without micromanaging? Section 4. Steps for effective delegation. Great delegation isn't just saying, do this. It's about setting people up for success. Here are the key steps to follow. Define the task. Be clear about what needs to happen. Set expectations. Include deadlines, deliverables, and outcomes. Provide resources. Give tools, logins, or training materials. Monitor progress. Check in, but don't hover. Give feedback. Review results and offer guidance for improvement. Pro tips: use tools like Loom to record task walkthroughs or Google Docs to create reusable checklists. Let's recap the essentials in this lesson. Delegation is how you scale, grow, and avoid burnout. Use the Eisenhower matrix to identify what to delegate. Choose people who have the skills, time, and reliability. Follow the 5-step method to delegate without micromanaging. Remember, every hour you spend doing low-impact work is an hour you're not spending building your business. Delegate the right way and unlock freedom, focus, and growth. If this video helped you shift your mindset, hit like, subscribe, and comment with the first task you plan to delegate this week. Next up, Lesson 4, Marketing Automation. We'll dive into how to set up automated email campaigns, social media posting, and retargeting, so your business keeps running even when you're offline. See you there.